Hello, I'm Rashmi from an English Nut. How are you doing? Friends, listen carefully to these two sentences. Sentence number 1. Seema is beautiful and intelligent. Sentence number 2. Seema is not only beautiful but also intelligent. In sentence number 1, I'm talking about the qualities of Seema. Seema is beautiful and intelligent. In sentence number 2, I am giving a little extra emphasis on the quality intelligent. Seema is not only beautiful but also intelligent. Friends, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to form sentences using not only but also. Okay, so first of all, when do you use not only but also? We use not only but also when we talk about two qualities of a person or two things and we want to give a little extra emphasis on one of the qualities or one of the things that we are talking about. As we saw in the above example, Seema is not only beautiful but also intelligent. In this sentence, we have given a little extra emphasis on the second quality, intelligent. I hope this is clear to you. Now, when we use not only but also in a sentence, there are some grammar rules to follow. For example, he is not only a doctor but also handsome. Now, this is an incorrect sentence because when we are talking about two things, that is doctor and intelligent, doctor is a noun and intelligent is an adjective. So remember, when you use not only but also in a sentence, the two things you are talking about must be the same parts of speech. So we can fix the above sentence in this way. He is not only a doctor but also a model. This is a correct sentence because doctor and model both are nouns. I hope this is clear to you. While using not only but also in a sentence, also make sure that you use the verb correctly. For example, he not only ate the burger but also the juice. I'll repeat the sentence. He not only ate the burger but also the juice. Is this sentence correct? This sentence is incorrect because we eat burger but we don't eat juice. We drink juice, right? So we can fix the above sentence by using two different verbs. And the sentence would be like this. He not only ate the burger but also drank the juice. In the above examples, we used not only in the middle of the sentence. How about using not only to start a sentence? Okay, so first let's take a sentence in the present tense. Not only does he sing well, but he also writes his own songs. I'll repeat the sentence. Not only does he sing well, but he also writes his own songs. Note that when you use not only to start a sentence, you don't say he sings, but you say does he sing? Does he sing? Now let's take a sentence in the past tense. Not only did she complete the essay on time, but she also won the first prize. Not only did she complete the essay on time, but she also won the first prize. Note that when you use not only to start a sentence in the past tense, you don't have to say she completed, but you have to say did she complete? Did she complete? Okay, now coming to future tense. Not only will you learn English through my videos, but you'll also put it into practice. Not only will you learn English through my videos, but you'll also put it into practice. Remember to use will you learn? Will you learn? That's the end of the lesson. Why don't you write down a couple of sentences of your own using not only but also? Make sure to do that. See you soon. Have a nice day.